In Gujarat, various political parties have accelerated the process to select candidates for the upcoming assembly elections. Addressing on the concluding day of the biannual Naval Commanders Conference in New Delhi, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has asked naval commanders to maintain focus on futuristic capability development for effectively overcoming emerging challenges in the maritime domain. Union Minister for Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat participates in discussion space applications in flood management in the northeastern region at Nisak, Meghalaya. The minister has also reviewed development work of his ministry. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that G.K. Yangrai, commandant of the Elite Special Forces 10, was arrested based on the allegation of misappropriation of funds and also in connection with the construction of some buildings allotted to the police department. In the wake of deteriorating air quality in the National Capital Region, the Commission for Air Quality Management has taken several measures. Plying of four-wheeler diesel light motor vehicles has been banned in the region, with BS6 essential and emergency services vehicles allowed to ply.